Welcome to Dominir. In this video, you're going to understand the fundamental layout of this platform, the persistent interface that stays on across all your operations. The screen is divided into three main zones. On the left is the app canvas where your active application always appears. The bottom left one is the Leaves panel, a structured directory of all your data, including instance types, attributes, and specific values. On top of it is the Results panel that displays all instances matching your current selection. And to its right is the App switcher for jumping between applications. Along the thin right edge runs the Control strip where you adjust traversal depth, choose between BFS and DFS algorithms. The most important thing to understand is that everything stays perfectly in sync. When you select something in the directory, the Results panel updates instantly and the active app updates at the same time. Click a node in the graph and the same instance appears in Results. Every app, every data operation, every agent task you run happens inside this consistent frame. Now that you understand the skeleton of Dominir, the next videos will show you exactly how to search, navigate, and control what you see.